Stop. If you use AI, work online, or just want to get ahead, this is the most important video you'll see all year. Today, OpenAI flipped the entire AI world on its head with a feature so powerful it makes ChatGPT look like a kid's toy. This is not a chatbot. This is not a search engine. This is a digital agent that works for you. Shops, codes, researches, books, manages files, automates real-world tasks, while you just watch it go. Think about it. The difference between tell me and do it for me just went from science fiction to your screen. Imagine your own AI personal assistant who never sleeps, never forgets, and never gets tired. One that can build your next business, plan your next trip, run your daily workflow, or even outsmart the smartest professionals in the world. This is the agentic era, and it starts right now. If you miss this, you'll be playing catch-up for the next decade. So, how does ChatGPT Agent really work? What can it already do? And what are the first insane demos?
What are the new risks, and why are experts warning it could change everything, from jobs to security?
And what does this mean for you? Stay locked in, because we're unpacking every angle, exposing the real impact, and revealing the secrets no one else will show you. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell, because you want to hear this first, not last. We're dropping real breaking news, actual demos, and game-changing AI tips daily, before anyone else. Now, let's jump into the future.
1. What just happened? ChatGPT Agent, the autonomous AI revolution.
So, what is ChatGPT Agent, and why is it making headlines around the world today? OpenAI, the world's most influential AI company, just unlocked a feature that finally turns their AI from a smart talker into an autonomous doer. The old ChatGPT was basically a digital brain in a box. You asked it questions, it answered. You wrote a prompt, it responded. Everything stayed within the chat. The new ChatGPT Agent?
Now, you give it a goal, and it figures out the steps, takes actions, and gets it done for you. It can browse websites, collect and summarize info, fill out online forms, shop for you, schedule your meetings, organize your files, create entire presentations, automate research, and even run code to solve complex tasks. It does this with real browser interaction, app integrations, and even basic memory to keep track of long, multi-step projects. Picture a world where you say, Agent, plan me a trip to Paris, book the best flights and hotel, and send the details to my email. And it just does it. Or, Agent, find the top trending AI companies today, build a 10-slide pitch deck, and schedule a call with investors. This is not a preview or vaporware. It's rolling out now to Pro, Plus, and Team users as we speak. This is the moment the AI race changes forever. What we're seeing is the first step toward real AGI, artificial general intelligence, where AI isn't just helpful, it's active in your world. 2. Unbelievable real-world use cases. What ChatGPT Agent can actually do today. Let's get super specific. What can this new ChatGPT Agent actually do for real people right now today? Here are 7 use cases that show how mind-blowing this new era is. 1. Automatic online research and reports. Agent, research the latest breakthroughs in cancer treatment. Summarize key findings, cite sources, and send to my Google Docs. Result, it reads dozens of sites, organizes bullet points, creates a doc, and shares the link. 2. One-click shopping assistant. Agent, find the best deals for the new iPhone 17 Pro Max, compare prices across Amazon, eBay, and official stores, then prepare a checkout. Result, instant side-by-side price breakdown, ready-to-buy link. 3. Building presentations from scratch. Agent, create a 12-slide PowerPoint about the future of AI agents, with citations and graphics. Result, fetches data, writes content, sources images, builds slides, delivers in minutes. 4. Workflow automation and file management. Agent, download all files from this month's email receipts, organize them by vendor, upload to Dropbox, and send me a report. Result, files are processed, renamed, sorted, uploaded with a ready-to-read summary. 5. Scheduling and personal life management. Agent, check my Google Calendar, reschedule any meetings that clash, and book a dental appointment for next week. Result, emails sent, new appointment scheduled, conflicts resolved. 6. Content creation on steroids. Agent, write 10 viral tweets about today's AI news, schedule them on X, and track engagement for me. Result, posts written, scheduled, engagement tracked. All hands off. 7. Coding and data science workflows.
Agent, analyze this dataset, identify outliers, build a chart, and prepare a PDF summary for my team. Result, code executed, data visualized, professional report created. And these are just day one features. The possibilities multiply as more plugins, APIs, and custom integrations roll out. If you can describe it, ChatGPT Agent can probably do it. Welcome to the future, where delegating to AI becomes your new superpower. 3. How does it really work? Behind the scenes and the agentic leap. Let's lift the hood. How did OpenAI pull this off? What makes Agent so different from everything before? First, Agent uses autonomous multi-step reasoning. Instead of just replying, Agent breaks a user's goal into actionable steps. Read, decide, click, copy, submit, confirm, and more. It works like a junior analyst or personal assistant, not just a smart parrot. Second, real-world API and web integration. Agent can now access websites, click buttons, fill out forms, even see and analyze web page content as a user would. It interacts with third-party apps, Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, e-commerce, cloud storage, you name it. Third, live feedback and adaptive execution. If a task fails, like a checkout problem or scheduling clash, Agent can try alternatives, replan, or ask for clarification. This loop is the secret to Agents feeling human and useful, not brittle or stuck. Fourth, security sandboxing. Every agent action is monitored and, especially for sensitive tasks, requires user review or permission before executing something risky. Fifth, learning from the world, not just chat. Agent pulls in the freshest info from the web, not just training data. It evolves with each task, each user, and each feedback loop. In short, this is the leap from static to dynamic AI. Where old ChatGPT was stuck in a box, Agent is like an intern who learns on the job, adapts, and one day soon could become the best digital employee you've ever had. OpenAI is basically creating the building blocks of true digital workers: autonomous, tireless, hyper-adaptable. What happens when millions of people start deploying agents at work, at home, and online 24/7? We're about to find out. 4. The wild risks, warnings, and ethical earthquake. Why security matters now. With all this power, you knew there'd be massive risks. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, said it himself. This tool is cutting edge but experimental, and he's warning everyone not to get careless. Here are the top security concerns. Phishing and social engineering. A hacked or poorly supervised agent could be tricked into giving away personal info, buying from fake sites, or even sending malicious emails. Unchecked automation. Agents running wild could automate spam, misinformation, or even criminal tasks if not properly limited. Data leaks and privacy. When an agent handles your files, logins, emails, and private info, the stakes are higher. One slip could mean a massive breach. Exploits and backdoors. Security researchers are already finding ways to jailbreak agent tasks or trick them into unsafe actions. Job displacement and social impact. If agents can do the work of a junior analyst, writer, marketer, or admin, what happens to those jobs? OpenAI is limiting agent features for now, requiring confirmation for sensitive tasks, restricting access to logins and payments, and rolling out in phases. But make no mistake, the arms race between AI capability and AI security has officially begun. So, what should you do? Double check what your agent is doing, especially with money, logins, or sensitive info. Never share passwords or payment details unless you're 100% sure of the process. Stay updated. This channel will break all new security tips and alerts the second they drop. Let's have an honest debate. Are you more excited about what agents can do, or more worried about what could go wrong? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll feature the smartest takes in our next video.
5. How this changes your life and what happens next. The coming agentic world. Let's bring this home. What does all this mean for you? The launch of ChatGPT Agent isn't just for tech nerds or AI insiders. This is the start of a new way to live, work, and compete. Here's what changes for real people. Productivity unleashed. Automate the tasks you hate, get hours of your week back, outperform at work, build your side hustle, or just enjoy more downtime. New business models. Create agent-driven services, SaaS tools, or AI-powered consultancies that scale 100 times faster than traditional teams. Level the playing field. Solo entrepreneurs, freelancers, even students
get the power that used to take a staff of 10. Supercharge creativity. Use agents as research partners, creative collaborators, even co-authors or editors. The agent marketplace is coming. Imagine buying, selling, or sharing custom-built agents that do exactly what you want, from legal research to trip planning to full-stack coding. In the next year, every major AI company will launch agents: Google, xAI, Anthropic, Qwen, DeepSeek, and more. The big question: will you be using agents to get ahead? Or will you be competing against people who already do? You are here at the start. If you're watching this, you're ahead of the curve. The next decade will be won by those who learn to work with, not against, their own AI agents. Stick around because I'll be showing you how. This is not hype. This is history. The launch of ChatGPT Agent today is the real start of the agentic revolution. AI just crossed from answering questions to running the world. If you want actual agent demos and hands-on guides, insider leaks and security updates, and the smartest breakdowns of the AI race, subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop your agent dream use case in the comments. What would you automate first? I'll be picking the wildest ones to demo live in the next episode. This channel brings you breaking AI news first, every single day. Don't get left behind. The agentic future is already here. I'm AI Horizon Daily, and I'll see you in the next update.